Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel, The Learning Nest. This is Manvi Dhivar. Friends, the topic for today's video is mnemonics. So let us see what is mnemonics all about. Mnemonic is a memory tool using which you can remember anything easily. It makes use of images, senses, patterns and emotions to make complicated information stick in our brains easily. It includes techniques for packaging information that helps our brain to store it safely and recall it at the right moment. To understand this technique further, let us consider our first example. 7 colors of rainbow. If you wish to remember all 7 colors of rainbow and that too in correct order, then you can easily do that using the technique of mnemonics. And for that, you just need to remember a simple sentence of English, which is, very intelligent, beautiful girl yells on road. Once you remember this sentence, now take initial of every word of this sentence, that is V, I, B, G, Y, O, R. And here you get the colors of rainbow in proper order. They are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Alternately, you can also remember word Vibgyor made up of initials to remember the colors in order. Let's proceed and see few more examples where we can make use of this technique for easy remembrance. So our next example is 9 planets in solar system. Now to remember 9 planets that exist in our solar system, you just need to remember a sentence, that is, my very excellent mother just served us 9 pizzas. Here also you need to follow the same steps. Take initial of each word of the sentence in order, that is M, V, E, M, J, S, U, N, P. And here we are ready with our 9 planets, which are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. Similarly, in our next example, that is 7 continents of world, the sentence that we need to remember is eat an aspirin after a nighttime snack. Here again take the initial of each word in order, that is E, A, 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 N, S. Using these initials, you can easily remember 7 continents, and they are Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia, Antarctica, North America, South America. Not only 7 continents, but you can also remember 5 oceans of world using this trick. To remember name of 5 oceans, just keep in mind this simple sentence. Polar bears are interesting, smart animals. Similar to previous examples, consider initial of each word, that is P, A, I, S, A. And you get name of 5 oceans in order, that is Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, Arctic. Alternately, you can also remember word Pesa made of initials to get name of 5 oceans. Now let us move further and see use of this trick in English grammar and maths operations. Let us begin with English grammar. To learn coordinating conjunctions in English grammar, just remember the sentence, fab and nice batch of young students. The initial of each word of this sentence in order is F, A, N, B, O, Y, S. And initials will give you 6 coordinating conjunctions, which are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Alternately, you can also remember word fanboys formed using initials to remember coordinating conjunctions. Lastly, let us use this trick to remember order in which basic maths operations should be performed. For that, remember a simple sentence, that is, please excuse my dear Aunt Sita. Consider the initial of each word in order, that is P, E, M, D, A, S. This will give you order of basic maths operations, which is parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. You can also make use of word PEMDAS formed using initials to remember order of basic maths operations. I hope with the help of examples explained in this video, you have understood the trick well. Thus, mnemonics is an extremely helpful memory tool using which complicated information can be remembered easily. Make most use of it and improve your memory. If you have liked this video, please share it further. Subscribe to our channel for many such videos. Hit the bell icon to get instant notification about our latest videos. Lastly but most important, please share your feedback and suggestions in comment box and help us grow. So we'll meet you in our next video. Till then, bye-bye.